Aloha. Iko mamai. Welcome to Coldwell Banker Pacific Properties, Waikele. Experience the serene surroundings of Makaya in the gated community of Makaya Ocean View Estates. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath walk-up unit was fully remodeled in 2017. All stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, hardwood flooring, and travertine tile and bath all combine to bring you the resort-style life. Unit includes indoor laundry and 2 parking, which is rare to find in this complex. World-renowned Makaya Beach is just minutes away. Pet-friendly unit, 1 pet up to 25 pounds. Long-term, 1-year lease. 48-hour notice required. Call or text 541-680-323.